Did you know that more than 1 million cars fail each year because of easy-to-make oil mistakes? Even drivers who think they're careful sometimes mess up without knowing it. In this video, we'll reveal the worst oil change habits that quietly damage your engine over time. Stick around. These few tips could save you tons of money and headaches. It's like forgetting to check your tire pressure or skipping a stop at the gas station. Small things you do every day can keep your car healthy or cause big trouble later. Not warming up the engine before draining. Many drivers think it's okay to change the engine oil without warming up the car first, but that's not the best idea. When the engine is cold, the oil is thick and sticky, so it doesn't drain out properly. This leaves dirty oil, tiny metal bits, and sludge stuck inside, which can slowly wear out your engine parts. Kind of like how rough roads wear down your tires. An easy fix is to start your car and let it idle for 2 to 3 minutes while you check your phone or wipe your windshield. This warms up the oil, making it thinner and easier to drain fully, helping your engine run better and last longer. Too much engine oil. Most people know that low engine oil is bad, but many don't realize that too much oil can also hurt your engine. When there's extra oil, it gets mixed with air and turns into a foamy mess that can't protect engine parts well, causing more friction, heat, and wear. Plus, too much oil puts extra pressure inside the engine, which can damage seals and cause leaks. This often happens when someone's in a hurry, like topping off oil quickly after a long day or during a rush stop at a gas station without waiting for the oil to settle. To avoid trouble, always park on flat ground, let your engine cool down, and check the dipstick after a few minutes. If the level is too high or the oil looks foamy, drain the extra and refill the right amount. Taking this small step now can save you from big problems later. Not changing the oil filter. The oil filter in your car works like a dustbin for your engine. It catches dirty stuff like dust, metal pieces, and sludge every time you drive. But if you don't change the filter when you change the oil, it's like throwing clean water into a dirty bucket. The oil gets dirty again right away. A clogged filter can't clean properly, so the oil flow slows down, and parts like the engine bearings don't get the smooth oil they need. This can make your engine wear out faster, just like using the same dirty cloth to wipe your car windows every day. Some people skip the filter change to save a few bucks, maybe when doing a quick oil top-up at a local shop or trying to save time. But this small shortcut can lead to big repair bills. So always change the oil filter when you change the oil. It's an easy step that keeps your engine healthy and running longer. Installing the new filter without pre-filling it with oil. A common mistake, even by people who've changed oil before, is putting in a new oil filter without adding any oil inside it first. It might seem faster to just screw it on and move on. But when you start the engine, the oil has to first fill the empty filter before it reaches the parts that need it most. That short delay means your engine runs without proper oil for a few seconds. It may not sound like much, but doing this every time slowly wears down the engine. Kind of like driving off fast without letting the car idle for a minute, or like turning on your fan on full speed without cleaning the blades. Over time, these little habits cause bigger problems. So while you're waiting for your coffee to cool or checking your phone, take a moment to pour a little oil into the new filter before putting it in. That simple step helps your engine run smoother and last longer. Changing oil on an uneven surface. Changing your engine oil while the car is parked on an uneven spot, like a sloped driveway or bumpy roadside, might seem okay, but it can cause big issues. When the car isn't level, the old oil doesn't drain out fully. Just like when you try to empty a bottle that's tilted, some always stays inside. That leftover oil is dirty and will mix with the new oil, making it go bad faster. Also, when your car is tilted, checking the oil level is confusing. It's like trying to read your fuel gauge while the car is moving. You could pour in too much or too little, both of which can harm your engine. Instead of doing the oil change on a slope outside your house or during a quick stop at a roadside shop, try to find a flat surface like a clean parking spot or a level area near a car wash. And after adding the oil, let the engine run for a minute. Maybe while you're throwing away the oil bottles or washing your hands, so the oil settles before you check the dipstick. Using the wrong oil type. Using the wrong engine oil is like wearing the wrong shoes for the weather. If the oil is too thin, It's like sandals in the rain, and your engine parts rub together and wear out faster. If the oil is too thick, it's like trying to run in heavy boots. They slow things down and don't protect your engine quickly enough. Every car needs a certain type of oil, like 5W30 or 10W40, which tells you how easy the oil flows when cold or hot. To keep your engine happy, always check your car manual or ask your friendly mechanic what oil fits your car and the weather where you drive, whether it's hot, cold, or somewhere in between. Taking this small step is like choosing the right shoes. It helps your car run smoother and last longer.